अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 4.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 हमारे पास 7x minus 25 over x minus 4 into x minus 3. What will we do? Simply we break this fraction into two into which is a over x minus 4 plus b over x minus 3. Now multiply both sides by x minus 4 into x minus 3. We get 7x minus 25 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 4. Now, from here we can get two values of x by equating x minus 3 and x minus 4 equal to 0. So first of all, by equating x minus 3 equal to 0, we get x is equal to 3. So put value of x is equal to 3 in equation 2, we get b is equal to 4. Now, from x minus 4 equal to 0, we get x is equal to 4. Now put value of x is equal to 4 in equation 2, we get a is equal to 3. Now we put values of a and b in equation 1, we get 7x minus 25 over x minus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 3 over x minus 4 plus 4 over x minus 3. So question number 6 हो चुका, मतलब complete. Hopefully आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.